Hey YouTube, my name is Shanks and I just bought a Kranzle pressure washer. This is the 499TST. TST means the total stop system, which means if you release the trigger, it puts the pump and the motor to a complete stop. This is fully electric, so you don't have to deal with gas or fumes or the sound. It is rated at 2000 psi at 1.9 GPM. So that's a lot of GPM, which is actually the more important thing in pressure washers than the PSI, in my opinion, because when you get more water out at high pressure, it cleans better. A lot of these electric pressure washers, they claim a lot, but they don't exactly give that much GPM or that much pressure when you run them. I had a Sanjo pressure washer before, which was rated almost the same level as this in terms of the pressure and the GPM, but it wasn't close to what it was claiming. So it broke on me a few weeks ago, and I thought I'll invest in a really good pressure washer this time, because this baby will probably last me a long time. I'm going to be mainly cleaning my house, the driveway, concrete floors, my cars, my motorcycles, my lawn equipment. So that's primarily going to be my use for this pressure washer. I just received this on freight. This was on a wooden crate, and the box probably weighs around 100 pounds, so it's pretty heavy. I'm gonna unbox it today to see what's inside, and I will follow up this video with another video in a few days to show you guys how to use it, how it performs, and we'll probably wash one of the cars or one of the motorcycles to see how it behaves and how it works. So stay tuned, grab a coffee or a beer, and let's unbox this puppy. Alright, so let's get started. I think I will have to lay this box down, otherwise it's not going to be easy to open. So I'll put my box cutter here, and let's see. This thing is pretty heavy. I don't have any help right now, otherwise I would have probably got a friend to help me out with this. So make sure if you're ordering one, you have some help. It's a lot of staples. You get a trash can. Okay, so looks like somebody spilled coffee on the pressure washer. There are some coffee stains on it. Let's see. That's the spray gun. It says made in Germany on it. And so we'll have to stand it up and roll out the pressure washer. And let's see. There's a manual, and this seems like a water filter, an inline water filter for the garden hose. So let's move this out. not too big. I thought it would be bigger, but it is certainly very heavy. I can feel the weight when moving it, although it does move pretty smoothly, but it does feel like a very heavy machine. And if I bring it closer, I don't know if you guys can see or not, but it seems like there are some coffee stains on it. Or it could actually even be the oil from the pump that might have leaked. But based on the color, I'm assuming it's coffee. So we'll have to see. I hope it doesn't spray coffee out of the nozzle when I first use it. All right, that's it for today. Stay tuned.